Hey everyone, today we're going to tackle a common problem on the Acer Nitro 5, screen flickering. If your display has been flashing, flickering, or just acting a little weird, don't panic. This is a problem a lot of Nitro 5 users run into, and the good news is that most of the time, it's something you can fix yourself. Step by step and see what works. Most of the time, screen flickering isn't caused by hardware. Instead, it's usually settings or background processes causing the trouble. So, we'll start with some software fixes that are simple but effective. One of the first things to try is turning off adaptive sync, sometimes called VSync. On Windows, head into your display settings, then check your graphics settings for anything related to vertical sync or refresh rates. Depending on your version of Windows, the exact wording might differ, so just take a look around. If you're running an NVIDIA graphics card, open the NVIDIA control panel, go to 3D settings and look for vertical sync. You can either turn it off completely or switch it to fast sync. Adaptive sync is often the culprit, so disabling it can solve the flickering right away. Another important factor is CPU usage. If your Intel CPU is running at 100% all the time, that can make your screen start flickering or lagging. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager, check what's using up a lot of resources, and close any unnecessary programs. If your CPU is still running hot or overloaded, consider adjusting startup apps, managing background processes, or even improving your laptop's cooling. Now, if you've tried these software fixes and your screen is still flickering, it might be a hardware issue. At this point, it's best to take your laptop to a professional. It could be a loose cable, a failing screen, or even a GPU problem. For most Nitro 5 users, one of the software fixes we covered should get rid of the flickering without any hardware intervention. So, start with adaptive sync, check your CPU usage, and make sure nothing heavy is running in the background. Most of the time, that's all it takes to fix the problem. Hopefully, this helps you get your Nitro 5 screen back to normal. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss more tips like this. Happy laptop using!